The concept of artificial intelligence, machines capable of mimicking human thought, has roots in ancient mythology. However, the formal pursuit of AI began in the mid-20th century. Early pioneers envisioned machines that could perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. These tasks included problem-solving, pattern recognition, and language understanding. Initial forays into AI focused on simple automation. Rule-based systems, programmed with specific instructions, could execute well-defined tasks. Examples include early chess-playing programs and industrial robots performing repetitive actions. These early successes, while limited, sparked excitement about the potential of AI. The Dartmouth Workshop in 1956 is widely considered the birthplace of AI as a field of study. Researchers gathered to explore the possibility of creating machines that could think. This event laid the groundwork for decades of research and development in artificial intelligence.
And so, the journey of AI began, from simple automation to the dawn of thinking machines.
The history of AI is marked by periods of rapid progress and challenging setbacks. Early successes in game playing, such as the defeat of chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov by IBM's Deep Blue in 1997, captured public imagination. However, AI research also faced periods of reduced funding and skepticism, known as AI winters. Despite these challenges, researchers continued to make significant strides. The development of expert systems in the 1970s and 80s demonstrated the potential of AI in specialized domains. These systems, equipped with vast knowledge bases, could assist human experts in fields like medicine and finance. The advent of machine learning in the late 20th century marked a paradigm shift in AI. Instead of relying solely on explicit programming, machines could now learn from data. This breakthrough paved the way for the development of powerful new algorithms and applications. These milestones represent the tireless efforts and unwavering dedication of AI researchers, navigating through both triumphs and tribulations.
The 21st century has witnessed an unprecedented resurgence of AI fueled by the rise of deep learning. Deep learning algorithms, inspired by the human brain, excel at processing vast amounts of data. This has revolutionized fields like computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. The success is due to massive data sets, computing power, and algorithmic refinements. AI systems now achieve human-level or superhuman performance in specific tasks. This AI boom has led to groundbreaking applications like self-driving cars and personalized medicine. The rapid pace of innovation continues to push AI boundaries.
AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It is rapidly becoming an integral part of our present. Across industries, AI-powered systems are automating tasks and improving efficiency. From healthcare to finance, AI is transforming the way we live and work. In healthcare, AI diagnoses diseases and accelerates drug discovery. In finance, AI detects fraud and provides personalized advice.
AI is transforming industries and shaping our lives in profound ways.
Section 5. The quest for general AI: can machines truly think like humans? While AI has made remarkable progress, developing artificial general intelligence, or AGI, remains a significant challenge. AGI refers to AI systems that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks like humans. Current AI excels in narrow tasks but lacks human-like flexibility and adaptability. Achieving AGI requires breakthroughs in consciousness, common sense reasoning, and intelligence. Despite challenges, the pursuit of AGI drives research and innovation in AI.
Section 6. Beyond human intelligence. Exploring the potential of superintelligence. If AGI represents machines that can think like humans, superintelligence represents a hypothetical future where AI surpasses human intelligence in all aspects. This concept, while speculative, raises profound questions about the future of humanity and our place in the universe. Superintelligent AI, by definition, would possess cognitive abilities far exceeding our own. It could solve complex problems, make scientific breakthroughs, and potentially even control or manipulate aspects of the physical world in ways we cannot currently fathom. The possibility of superintelligence raises both exciting possibilities and existential risks. On the one hand, it could help us solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges, such as disease, poverty, and climate change. On the other hand, it could pose a threat to human autonomy, or even our existence if not aligned with our values and goals.
Section 7. The ethical frontier: navigating the challenges of advanced AI. As AI systems become more powerful and pervasive, it is crucial to address the ethical implications of their development and deployment. Bias in algorithms, job displacement, privacy concerns, and the potential for misuse are just a few of the ethical challenges posed by advancing AI. Algorithmic bias occurs when AI systems reflect and amplify existing biases in the data they are trained on. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, perpetuating existing inequalities. For example, a biased facial recognition system may misidentify individuals from certain racial or ethnic groups. Job displacement is another significant concern. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they are automating tasks previously performed by humans, potentially leading to widespread job losses. This raises questions about the future of work and the need for retraining and social safety nets. The development and deployment of AI must be guided by ethical principles and a commitment to societal well-being. Striking a balance between fostering innovation and mitigating potential risks is crucial to ensure that AI benefits humanity as a whole. Governments, industry leaders, and researchers have a responsibility to work together to establish ethical guidelines and regulations for AI development. Transparency, accountability, and public engagement are essential to build trust and ensure that AI is used for good. Education and public awareness are also paramount. An informed public is better equipped to engage in discussions about AI's implications and advocate for responsible AI development and use. By fostering a culture of ethical AI, we can harness its potential while mitigating its risks.
Shaping the future AI's role in our collective destiny. The future of AI is ultimately intertwined with the future of humanity. The choices we make today will determine whether AI empowers us or diminishes us, whether it solves our problems or exacerbates them. It is our collective responsibility to shape the trajectory of AI development. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, we should strive to develop AI that complements and augments human capabilities. By focusing on AI for good, we can leverage its power to address global challenges, advance scientific discovery, and improve the human condition. AI has the potential to unlock new frontiers of knowledge, enhance creativity, and connect people across cultures. By embracing a future where humans and AI collaborate, we can create a world where technology serves humanity and advances our collective well-being. The dual nature of progress AI's potential for good and harm. The development of artificial intelligence is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. However, like any powerful technology, AI has the potential for both good and harm. It is essential to recognize this duality and proceed with both optimism and caution. On the one hand, AI offers unprecedented opportunities to improve our lives. It can automate tedious tasks, provide personalized experiences, and connect us with information and resources more efficiently than ever before. In healthcare, AI is already being used to diagnose diseases earlier, develop personalized treatments, and accelerate drug discovery. On the other hand, AI also presents potential risks. Unintended consequences such as algorithmic bias and job displacement require careful consideration and mitigation strategies. The possibility of AI being used for malicious purposes, such as autonomous weapons systems, underscores the need for international cooperation and regulation.
Conclusion. Embracing the promise and perils of artificial intelligence. The journey of AI, from its humble beginnings to its current capabilities, is a testament to human ingenuity. As we stand on the cusp of even more transformative advancements, it is imperative to approach AI with a balanced perspective, embracing its potential while acknowledging its perils. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future we are actively shaping through our choices and actions. By prioritizing ethical considerations, fostering collaboration, and promoting responsible innovation, we can harness the power of AI to create a more just, equitable, and prosperous future for all. The evolution of AI is a journey of exploration, discovery, and ethical reflection. By embracing both the promise and the perils of this transformative technology, we can navigate the path toward a future where AI empowers humanity and helps us create a better world for generations to come.